Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video I will be discussing about using variables in GraphQL API. Variables in GraphQL allow for dynamic input to queries and mutations. They help make mutation reusable and prevent vulnerabilities like injection attacks. In GraphQL, variables are specified alongside the query or mutation itself. They allow for dynamic values to be passed into queries instead of hard-coded into them. Here I have given an example for mutation with the use of variables. In this example, CreatePost is the name of the mutation. This $title, $views and $user ID are variables specified with their required types. So these are the types of these variables: string, int and id type. So there is an exclamation symbol as well, which denotes that these are required arguments. So inside the mutation, the variables are used as parameters like this. So this is the parameters part. The dollar symbol indicates that the field is specified by a variable. So we will be specifying the variables like this in the variables tab in Bruno. So I have already opened Bruno. So this was the mutations which was used in the last session. Now I will be providing the values to this mutation by use of variables. So I am initializing the variables in the variables tab. So I am copying the value of variables. This is a JSON. I have copied it, now pasting it here. Now I am making changes in the query. So this is the query we have to use in order to use variables. I am copying it now and pasting it here. I am saving the request. So you can see we have used variables. So variables will be coming from this tab. So that values will be provided to these placeholders. Actually here we have mentioned the type of those variables, so we will be providing the arguments here. The variable values is provided in this tab. Now I am executing the request. You can see the response. So this is a JSON response. Now I am changing the value. If you want to change the value, you can change it here. Title 2, views I have changed to 2, and user ID I am changing to 2. I had saved the request. Now I am again sending the request. So you will be changing the new values in the JSON response. You can see the values which we have updated is coming in the JSON response. The values have been updated. So this is how you can make use of variables in GraphQL API. I have shown an example for mutation. Same thing can be used in queries as well. I will be sharing this code in GitHub. You can reuse it in your Bruno. If you find this session useful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share, and if you have any doubts, please add comments. I will be responding to the comments. Thanks for watching and keep learning.